Okay, so here's a little video that I'm gonna do now, and I'm gonna call it How to Be a Bore at a Birthday Party. So I drove up north 5 hours to come and be at a family celebration, and yes, you know what I did? I brought wheatgrass. Wheatgrass. Who brings wheatgrass to a birthday celebration? I do. So here, I have this set that it's all washed, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to continue living a healthy lifestyle in the midst of parties and having fun and doing all that kind of stuff. If you see people walking by, just wave to them. You know, I'm just doing my thing here in the kitchen, okay? So here we have some washed wheatgrass. Yesterday I harvested it. I had wheatgrass. I'll put up some pictures also, and I just ended up cutting it and putting it in this green fresh bag, which helps fruits and vegetables to stay really fresh. So put it in there and washed it off. And I have what's called it's an amazing juicer because it travels very easily. It's really small, and you put it together real fast. So you're gonna see me doing it. I haven't even put it together yet, but here you go. Let me see, can you see me? Yes, you can. So this is the base. And here's another part. Let's see, here it is. Stick this through here, right? Another part. Stick it on, let's see, this way. There you go. This part connects to this base. You see, put it down here. It slides in, and this part, like this. Now you can't move, so as you're juicing your wheatgrass, it won't. The base won't move, and you won't spill all of your liquid gold. This is a handle. I have had this inexpensive juicer for wheatgrass and sprouts for probably about 15 years at least, and it has lasted that long. The only thing that has happened is that the handle, I've had to replace it once because it just broke off. It snapped because I put too much wheatgrass in there, and as I was turning it, it was like it just cracked. Hey, thanks for coming. Good to see you guys. Yeah, so you go ahead, stick it on there like this. It screws on. You tighten it like that. This is your container that catches the wheatgrass, and here's a little screen that you put on top of it that prevents little pieces of wheatgrass or whatever from going into your drink. So this is, all these things have been washed already. Here, you stick that on the side. So now it's all ready to go. This acts as a wrench. It tightens the green part here. That way it acts really well. See, I'm tightening it there, right? So you have that. You have that, and let me grab a little cup. Voila, my little shot glasses. Okay, so here's all you do. Take about this much of wheatgrass at a time, because if you put too much, it ends up creating too much pressure, and that's how I broke my handle the last time. So you just start just very patiently, and you just, either way, this way, that way, it doesn't matter. And you start like that. You all are like, I'll never invite Angela to a birthday party. This is what she does. Juices wheatgrass. I hear you laughing. So you just keep on, and it's starting to juice now. Got some little calypso vibes going on in the background. All right. You can also do other types of sprouts, juice them. I like sunflower seeds as well as pea sprouts, which I grow. And I'll show you how to do that in some other time. But I wish you could see it now. I'm going to show you how it's coming here. I'm just going to put a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, and I don't want to have it leak onto the floor or anything, so I'm just gonna. I see you, Caribbean Castle. Cousin. All right, so now you have, see it there? And cup. pour it in. Liquid gold. Good stuff. One thing that I found is when you grow your own wheatgrass, a lot of times it's sweeter than when I buy it from other places. And I am one of these people, I will actually talk to my wheatgrass, play some music for it, give it lots of love, and it really tastes sweet. I gave someone one of my a shot of my wheatgrass once, and they asked me if I had added sugar to it. That's how sweet it can be. So all kinds of wonderful benefits in the wheatgrass. It detoxifies the system. It's good for the gut. It's wonderful for the skin, the hair, the nails. It has lots of vitamins and essential minerals and whatnot in it. I'll have to do a little article on all the wonderful benefits, but wheatgrass is great. Hey. So I just wanted to share some wheatgrass and how you too can be the butt of all jokes at a party by taking wheatgrass to your party and living your golden life. Love you guys. Bye. Hi. See you next time. Bye-bye.